Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting straight to the lock. Remove the negative battery cable so electrics stay dormant, then pop the door card's retaining clips. Once the card is loose, lift it off the window ledge and fold it forward to reveal the inner cavity. Make sure to disconnect the wiring connectors gently. This stops the actuator from moving and prevents a short. With the speaker and handle trim out of the way, you can see the lock assembly and linkage clearly. Now proceed to unbolt the actuator. Once you've exposed the actuator, hold the mechanism and remove its mounting torque screws. Support it as you slide the unit free because rods and clips are delicate. Detach the connecting rods by releasing retaining clips and note their orientation for reassembly. Now bench test the actuator with a 12V supply to confirm motor operation. If it hums but doesn't move linkage, the gears may be stripped. Inspect plastic gears, metal linkages, and the lock cylinder for wear or seized points before choosing repair or replacement. You finish by reattaching the actuator and making sure each rod goes into its correct slot. Reinstall the retaining clips so nothing slips out under use. Tighten the mounting screws to factory torque and reconnect the wiring harness, then reattach the door card. Once you reconnect the battery, cycle the lock with the key and button. Listen for smooth travel and no grinding. If problems remain, test fuse and wiring continuity next, and consider swapping the module or consulting a wiring diagram to isolate electrical faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.